Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. My name is Susil and my channel name is IT Gyan Mantra. So I'll help you for get the knowledge of IT industry because I have more than 14-year experience of IT industry. So I'll tell you because how corporate environments run, because nowadays cloud is very hot topic and everyone wants to uh, go on the cloud, and because nowadays the technology is trending every day and every month and every year. Just we are seeing the new features, because you can say if you wanted to go for the DevOps or infrastructure as a service on cloud, or you wanted to secure your future as a cloud solution architect. So because in market so many jobs are available for related to the cloud. So because you know very well, because really I know, because I'm working since 14 years in IT industry. So I know, because IT industry is a very growing industry, and everyone, and COVID-19 situation, everyone had worked from home, and now also they are working from home. So it's a really good advantage, because you know very well, and this is more also demanding technology, demanding industry, because nowadays it's a really easy to learn on social media, on multiple platform are available online, because you can choose any courses, or you can get certified easily, or you can get the multiple training or online training. So definitely it's a really helpful. So it doesn't matter even you are BTech or MTech for going the IT industry. So because even if you are a BSc or BA or MA, whatever you are doing, so just get the knowledge of related to the IT industry. So I'm here to help you, and because I had faced lots of challenge in my life in 13 to 14 industry, because I had worked with a different MNCs. So I wanted to share my experience with you in a very layman language, and I won't be let you down anywhere. So, and I'll help you for how to get certified with the certifications, or how to get the trainings, or how to face the interview, and even how to work in corporate environment, on how we manage the data centers, how we uh, how we do the migration from on-prem to cloud, whether you are a IT system admin, or whether you are a IT manager. If you are, because you know very well, for any company, production environment running is a really big task for them, and if you are a system, whether system admin or IT manager or solution architect, so you have very huge responsibility for run that smoothly that environment. So I wanted to share my experience with you, and so keep enjoying and watch these videos, and definitely I'll help you, because you know very well, because now IT industry is a very growing. So if you want to be a if you want to get the good salary package, or you want to grow in your career, so you can keep watching these videos, and anytime you can contact me on my email, or via social media or LinkedIn. So I'll help you and I reply on that, and definitely on for freshers also I'll suggest, and I can guide for what exactly they can do in career, because in IT industry multiple path is there. It could be a development, it could be a like a system admin, it could be a DevOps. Multiple things are there, even if you want to go in security, in network. And I wanted to thanks for, especially thanks for Microsoft and Cisco, who they made this type of platform IT industry. So because you know very well, in lower middle class family, it's a very difficult to do the BTech and MTech, even if you are a BA or BSc. So just you can uh, choose the short trainings from Microsoft, from Cisco. Online trainings are available, online courses are available. So get certified, and I'll help you really, and you can get the good salary package there, and I'll not charge you anything, because just I'm helping out, and this is my motto, because which I have faced, because I belong from very lower middle class family. So that's why, because I have faced so many challenges in my life. So those experience I wanted to share with you. So keep enjoying and keep watching these videos. Thank you so much, guys.